Hello everyone, this is day 7 of 75 days Leet Code challenge. Today's question is 2sum but smarter version, in which the array is in sorted order. So we don't need to use HasMap. Instead of HasMap, we have to use another approach. Let's see. First, understand the question. Given a one indexed array of integer nums that is already sorted order in non-decreasing order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. Let these numbers be like numbers of index I and numbers of index I2, where 1 is less than equal to index 1 is less than index 2 is less than equal to num's length. That means the two indexes are in the range of 1 to length of array. Return the indices of two numbers index 1 and index 2, each incremented by 1 as integer array index 1 and index 2 of length 2. The tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution. You may not use the same element twice. Your solution must use only one constant extra space. Let's understand with the help of example. In input 1, there is numbers array given and target element given. Target is 9, so we have to find two indices such that the sum of these two indices are equal to the target. But catch is that the array is in sorted order. There is two approaches, brute force and optimal one. In brute force approach, we have to use nested loop and check one by one. If found, then return, else we have to return empty array. In approach 2, we have to use two pointer in which left and right. Left should be placed on first index and right should be placed on the last element of the array. If we found the sum, then we have to return the indices, and if we don't found the sum and found sum greater than the target, then we have to decrement the right, else we have to increment the left. Let's understand the brute force approach first. For int I is equal to 0 to I is less than numbers dot length I plus plus. Another loop, int j is equal to I plus 1 to j is less than j plus plus. In first loop, we have to run it till second last element, and if we found numbers of I plus numbers of j equal to target, then we have to return new integer array of size 2 in which I plus 1 and j plus 1 is written, else at last we have to return empty array. Let's run our brute force approach solution first. All three test cases are passed, but the problem is two loops which instantly increase the time complexity of our algorithm. We have to optimize our solution. We have to use two pointers such that left and right, left is equal to left placed on 0th element and right placed on last index of our array, and we have to run loop till when left is less than right, and we calculate our sum. Sum is equal to numbers of left plus numbers of right. If we found sum equal to target, then we have to return our array of size 2 in which left and right index are present. Else, if sum is greater than target, then we have to decrement our right index else at last condition in which our sum is less than target, then we have to increment our left. At last we have to return new integer array. Let run our code. All three test cases are passed successfully. We have to submit our code. Our code is successfully submitted. Let's understand the code again. In this, we made two variables, left and right, which left plays on first index of our array and the right plays on last index of our array. We have to run loop until left pointer is always less than right pointer. Then in loop we calculate the sum of left and right. Then if we found the sum equal to target, then we found our indexes. Then we return by incrementing 1 because the array is 1 based. Else if our sum is greater than target, then we have to decrement our right pointer to left side. Else, and at last condition the sum is less than target, then we have to increment our left pointer towards right. If all three conditions are passed and loop iterated successfully, then we don't found our target or indexes, then we return our empty array. That's all. Thank you. Follow for more.